What's going on, guys? John Elder here from Udemy.com, and in this video, I want to show you guys something that just happened that's pretty cool. Alright guys, in this video I want to show you really quickly something that just happened that's actually pretty cool. So most of you guys that have been watching this channel for a while know that I have a website, Udemy.com. I sell all my courses there, and most of you guys that want to take my courses sign up for my courses there because you can get them, as you know, for one low price. But I also have all my courses up on Udemy too, and we just hit 250,000 enrollments. So check this out. My instructor page, blur out some of the revenue details, and you can see we just hit 255,927 enrollments. So 250,000 people have enrolled in my courses in Udemy. Like I said, most of you guys sign up for my courses at Udemy, but if you just want individual courses, you can find them one at a time at Udemy. So very, very cool. So I just wanted to share that because I'm super excited about that. 250,000 people, that's crazy. So if you're interested in taking any of my courses on Udemy, if you know, it makes sense to get them all at Udemy for one low price. You know, we got the coupon code YouTube1 to get them all for $49. But if you just want like one course or something and you want to spend the least amount possible for that one course, head over to my personal website, johnelder.com, and click on Portfolio and click this My Udemy Courses link. And here is a list of all the same courses that I have at Udemy. They're just links to that course at Udemy. So I've got coupon codes attached to each of these. And so at any given time, this is the absolute lowest price you can find for my courses on Udemy. So if you just want to take one course, it's going to be between $10 and $15 usually. I don't have as much control over the Udemy prices as I used to because they changed their pricing system last year. But I am able to offer, you know, the lowest price available at the moment, whatever that happens to be at Udemy. And like I said, it's usually between $10 and $15 depending on the course. So you can come through here. We've got all our Django courses, a bunch of Django courses. Several Kinter courses, just a regular Python course, cryptocurrency Kinter course, a JavaScript if you just want to learn JavaScript. Got a bunch of Ruby on Rails and Ruby courses if you're into that sort of thing. We've got, let's see, some database courses, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL. We've got a Ubuntu Linux course, it's kind of fun. A couple of PHP courses, a WordPress course, some basic HTML and Bootstrap CSS courses, and then some Node courses. And there's also a SQLite database course. So like I said, these are all my courses. They're the same courses that we have at Udemy.com. They're just individually available at Udemy. And so that's all I wanted to say. I just want to make a really quick video to thank all of you guys who have signed up for my courses at Udemy. 250,000 of you. That's just an incredible, boggles my mind, blows my mind. I can't hardly comprehend that. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. And that's just really, really cool. So thank you. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out Udemy.com where you can use coupon code YouTube1 to get $30 off memberships. They pay just $49 to access all my courses, over 45 courses, hundreds of videos, and the PDFs of all my best-selling coding books. Join over 100,000 students learning to code just like you. My name is John Elder from Udemy.com, and I'll see you in the next video.